What's up guys, this is your man Gidkay once again. In today's video I'm going to just do a quick color grading tutorial for you guys. So you see this image right on our screen. I'm going to just walk you throughout some simple steps to get this kind of color grading look in your images. So firstly, let's start with the contrast, boosting the contrast a little, reduce the highlights, and then the white as well, punch in the shadows too, then the blacks, and then come to the haze. You see I'm speeding up, I don't want the video to be too long. Yes, and then come to color mixer, go to oranges, punch in a little, reds also punch in a little, and then come to greens, reduce it, reduce the saturation, then the luminance, come to the blues. I'm going to desaturate it. Yes, desaturate it a little, bring down the luminance. Yes, and then come to the yellows again, reduce on the yellows a little. Yes, punch in the highlights. Oh no, I'm going to reduce it, reduce the luminance. Yes, and then lastly come to calibration and pump everything out. Yes, so this is how to color grade, very simple, in Camera Raw. Yes, and this image was shot with the Canon EOS 6D. Yes, so if this is your first time, kindly consider subscribing and also check out our digital store for more amazing or perfect helping product that's going to elevate your editing skills. And this is your man Gidkay once again. Peace out.